The story of Clan Sinclair begins across the English Channel in Normandy, France. The family's name was originally pronounced Singklar, a far cry from the more familiar Sinclair. St Clare-dur-Elle in the Pont region of Normandy was their ancestral home. However, their romantic origins are a stark contrast to the traditional pronunciation of their name. It was during the reign of King David I that Norman knights from St Clair embarked on a quest for land and fortune in Scotland. Among these knights was Henry de St Clair of Herdmanston near Haddington, who laid the foundation for a legacy that would endure for centuries. The Sinclairs were raised to the peerage as Lord St Clair in 1163, marking the beginning of their ascent in Scottish nobility. But their most iconic titles were yet to come. The Earls of Caithness, descended from Sir William St Clair, were granted the barony of Roslin in 1280. Their loyalty to various Scottish monarchs evolved through the turbulent periods of Scottish history. The Sinclairs produced several noteworthy figures. Sir Henry St Clair, for instance, received lands around Pentland as a reward. Sir William St Clair, a favourite of King Robert, accompanied Sir James Douglas on a perilous expedition to the Holy Land. Although the Holy Land remained elusive, they joined the King of Aragon in his fight against the Moors of Spain, where both St Clair and Douglas met their heroic end. One of the most remarkable chapters in Clan Sinclair's history involves Henry St Clair, who became Earl of Orkney. His expeditions extended far beyond the Scottish borders, conquering the Faroe Islands in 1391 and possibly voyaging to the Americas, including Nova Scotia and Massachusetts. Throughout their history, the Sinclairs navigated shifting allegiances. They initially favoured the Balliol claim to the Scottish throne but eventually pledged their loyalty to Bruce during the struggle for Scottish independence. It was around the time of changing loyalties that the spelling of the family name evolved from St Clair to Sinclair. This change would become a lasting symbol of their heritage. The Sinclair family faced internal disputes and external challenges, including battles over titles and territories. The clan's history is marked by fierce struggles and perseverance. The St Clairs of Roslin laid claim to being hereditary Grand Master Masons of Scotland. William St Clair played a pivotal role in the establishment of the Grand Lodge of Scotland in 1736. The remains of Roslin Castle, and its splendid chapel near Edinburgh continue to stand as a testament to their enduring legacy,